Your mic.
So we finally hit what we needed to buy our first home.
And after spend a whole radio ad talking about it. Check to see if first-time partner might suit you. Visit kaigaora.go.nz. Partner.
Ngāti Hine FM, tō reo, irirangi Māori.
Iwa te kaumā iwa i ra ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaumā iwa i ra tahi tuatu ihi kurangi Ngāti Hine FM. Mōrena e te iwi, e ara e mara.
Morena tiwi, you're here.
He turned up our mic.
Oh, I see what's going on there. Yes.
Oh, there we go. Can I
Just
still...
turned up his own mic. I don't know why I've got headphones on. 'Cause
I
it's not
didn't
even
turn
plugged
any
in
of
either.
those up. That's how they were already.
Oh,
By the way.
Terabell.
It's been ages.
Must you still not plugged in?
Yeah, but I knew I couldn't hear myself because the mic was on.
Yes. So you just missed it. Marcia just introduced us so well. Iwa te kaumā iwa i rono ki whangarei nei. You're here with the crew. You would have missed it because her mic wasn't turned on. You know,
That's so
You know, and-
kind, isn't
their
it?
buttons are on.
Damn, if only we had someone to drive.
Oh, it's been
Right.
too long. I've got more
Yes,
buttons to
welcome
push.
back.
Let's do this thing.
Turn it up some more. I can't hear anything.
Me neither.
We're the only radio station in the country with no headphones.
Like, how do we have all the tools yesterday, but not today?
Ridiculous, isn't it?
You're all welcome.
Oh, welcome. Yeah. I'm just following your fellas' body cue.
Oh, yes. Marcia can't even hear the song. Foot is down. Hey. Hey.
Sabotage.
I'm yours. Or
I'm
something.
good.
Oh, I'm good. I'm yours.
What's
come
going
on.
on? Hey, I can't hear myself.
Oh, is your headphones working?
Yes,
Ah.
I can hear you. I just can't hear me. What's going on?
I don't play with that one because. Oh, yep,
yeah,
you
that's
just turned it
loud.
up.
Hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me though?
Yeah, we
Yes.
can hear you.
Okay,
yeah.
maybe that's where it is. Maybe I just can't hear myself. Anyway, good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday morning, the 7th of December. Goodness me, it's flying through.
Yes, no.
Get that phone turned
No,
down.
it's
Oh,
as loud
wow,
as it
that's
goes.
real loud.
I
It's
know.
really- I can hear it without even hearing it. Yeah, I don't
Ah, there we go. That's better. I put my headphones on.
Okay,
Just ignore it with my headphones.
Morning, AT, you are listening to E Are Mara. We've got all 3/3 today.
Yes.
Here
This is
till
right.
9 o'clock.
That's right.
He runga te on air and online, and I'm competing with my own volume.
Yep.
we're so scratchy this morning. I think we're a little bit tired.
No, it's all this technology that's
Technology.
Technology.
changes.
Ah, taking over the
It
world.
changes every day. We come in,
Changes
like Marcy said,
every
we come in
day.
yesterday, everything's working. We come in today, there's missing pieces.
You reckon this is true? Sabotage.
Yeah, I saw that.
Sabotage.
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 It's sabotage.
Oh, sabotage.
Sabotage.
The
Microwave.
sabotage.
It's like microwave is actually pronounced microwave.
Oh, like Tajay. The
Oh,
target.
yes, Tajay.
Yes.
And Boucher.
And Marjorie Heights.
Yes.
Oh,
And Luke.
look. And Kate Marte.
Farmage.
Oh, you sound like Mario.
Farmage.
Hey, welcome back, Phoenix. You said
Yeah.
we missed you on the show.
Yeah, I was
know
away
you- 'cause you
yesterday.
had this- So we really
That's only promoted. So
Oh.
the rest of the
told
time
us you
took you
did.
No, I definitely did not tell you that. That's out of your own mouth there, Luke.
Okay,
You keep
all
that one.
Let me just show you the message.
Yeah, go, bring it up.
Yeah,
bring it
Welcome
up.
back. We hope you're feeling better. No.
Yeah, definitely feeling better. I'd also bring up the message.
You fellas on a fight. Take it outside.
Okay, there's silence again.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you to bring up the message so you can
I'm
say,
like, please
Yeah.
bring it up.
bring it
Marcy
up
can't hear
so you can
anything.
see that I
I
most
can, I
definitely did not tell you I had the squirts.
All night living in my bathroom with a freaking stomach bug. Well, you're not there to bake a cake.
Yeah. No. I'm going for the specific word that was squirts.
yeah.
I most definitely did not use that word. That's a That's a Luke Bird term. At copyright painted
Sound like that.
painted by Luke Bird.
I'm like,
Pansy.
Yeah.
oh dear.
I tell you what's not pansy, the weather.
Weather.
Good
Yeah,
segue.
go straight into the weather. Right, it's very loud in here. Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
I can't turn it down.
Oh,
Like that's it. That's as
there's
low as
a
it
group
goes.
over here, like talking.
It's like
right
those
now,
stadiums.
Yes, 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 yes. Oh. Anyway, right here in Te Whangaore, bye,
Kohi, kohi,
a
kūtai. It is currently 19.7 degrees, but it should feel like 20 degrees, and it's a high of 24 degrees, one layer of clothing, 87% humidity, so it's another moist day. Yesterday was hot.
It was tino hot.
It was tino hot.
Last night was hot.
In Tamaki Makovid, it should be around 20 degrees today as well, with a high of 25 degrees. It is 87% humidity for you. Currently, right now, it's cloudy periods with 1 or 2 showers, northeasterly breeze. And you know what? For the first time, I can agree with Mr. or Mrs. Weatherman.
Wow,
It's
that-
been showering.
The what do you call it? 80%, whatever
it's
you said.
capped.
Yeah, I think that's about
It's
low.
like 100%.
Yeah.
I was at Marcia's yesterday having a kōrero, and no, it was far too hot. And she has leather couches, and I was just like,
I
Marcia,
just tell you
I'm
to
stuck.
sit on the leather couch and the breeze. But no, you want to go do your own thing.
Yeah,
you want
I
to
was
get moist.
and stuck to the couch. Sunset today is at 8:30 p.m. tonight.
Oh,
it's
so
quite
that's
a-
sunset.
yeah. Ooh, but it's quite a warm day today again, everybody. 25 degrees.
Oh, ki ngā tai o whangarei, high tide 11 o'clock this morning, low tide at 5 o'clock this evening, high tide again at 11:30.
Oh, look at that.
Ah, yes. And then Maramataka's
Oh,
great.
yes.
Wait. It's a great question. And I'll have an equally great answer.
Once you
I didn't ask anything. I didn't ask anything.
Yeah, you were thinking it.
What's the matter with There you go.
Yeah. No, hold on to that. It's going to be a good one.
Okay.
Okay.
It's coming to a store near you shortly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we start singing? How about that?
Yeah, we'll start.
Nope, that won't help either. It's nice.
Have you found it?
But it's
No.
never going to get you close.
Yeah,
with
but
the
it's not
marama.
going to get me close.
Henna's
our
just not
current
feeling
situation.
it at the
Yeah, we haven't had a yarn yet, but it's
Oh,
coming.
let's yarn. Let's yarn about you two have been quite busy. Well, we've all
moment.
been busy,
Yes.
but you've been busy.
We've been busy. We're still busy. We're currently gearing towards the end of the year.
Yes.
But also, I think we need to like promote. Busy's good, but busy's also not good.
But see, I like busy. I really enjoy busy, but then also you go, I'm just
Yeah.
right now so busy. And
People
then-
need breaks.
Yeah, and then some people
Oh,
don't
yeah.
understand why you're busy. Like, well, you're on a computer every day. Like for you guys, people say
Like
that to
when
you.
this person came over for lunch yesterday, and then he was like, "What are you doing? What are you doing?" He's just sitting there on the computer.
Yeah, he sounds amazing. And then people with me go, but all you do is just talk and laugh every day. That's a lot of work, Kay. It's a lot of work to be fabulous. Are you ready now, Hina?
No,
No.
talking about fabulous and stuff.
Yeah, so busy's good, but we are looking forward to a break.
Yes. No, I'm looking forward to it too.
Mm.
I know we all are us working for ourselves. I know when we left our jobs, our
Yes.
9 to 5 jobs, it was like,
good riddance.
oh, hey, hatira, hey, now we've got 24/7 jobs.
Yeah, now you've got when people go, when your accountant's ringing saying, Luke, you need to be putting in your returns. I'm like, I forgot to do them. So yeah, we're going to be onto those this week.
Here we are, Noitiwi. There is light at the end of the tunnel. You can
There
see
is.
it.
There is.
And
Marcy.
it's getting closer and closer to Christmas.
That's right. Hey, look, speaking of which, you've
Yes,
been on the
let's
radio
go.
and online. Later on in the show, we are going to give you the opportunity to get yourself ready, get yourself pumped for 12 days of Christmas. It's
Yes.
the most wonderful time of the year. That's when
What
you
does
push the
12
button.
days of Christmas mean?
Hey, well, you know how Ellen on the show gives away 12, always gives away 12 days of Christmas. She gives
Yes.
away random to her audience every day.
I've always wanted to go to that show.
Me too.
Same when Oprah used to do it.
Oh, you get a car, you get a car. Well,
Ah,
right here
yes.
on E Mara,
E Mara, e ara.
E Mara, we're going to give you the opportunity to take away a prize every day for 12 days.
For 12 days. Why? Because there's
12 days of Christmas.
Nice.
And that is starting next Monday, the 13th. But later on in today's show, we'll give you the details of how to enter. And you don't want to miss this. We're not giving away any ideas what the prizes are on the day. But what I can tell you is they are all local. And you're going to want prizes.
Yes. How many prizes are there?
There are 12 prizes for 12 days of Christmas.
There's actually 12 days of Christmas, but more than 12 prizes. Our big grand prize, like...
What is it?
What, is it more than 12?
No.
No, we're giving away 4 on one day songs.
Yes.
But there are 12 prizes for 12 days. And all you have to do is just stay tuned for today, and we'll give you some more details on
Spatial
how
Alan.
you can enter. But we need to put on like that little, it's the most as a
Wonderful
cue, because that's what she
day,
uses, and the little
time
elves
of the
come
year.
out. Yeah.
And we should dress up as
As
elves.
elves. So starting next Monday the 3rd, anybody listening or online can win something.
Kia ora.
Yeah.
It's very
sounds
exciting.
great.
Can you give us a
Idea?
a tip of what some of the prizes might be,
Oh,
or
look,
we're keeping it?
I can tell you what the prizes are,
Oh,
but what we
yes.
can't tell you is what day those prizes are coming
Yes.
out.
Now, if you're wondering what you're going to for Christmas lunch or dinner, we've got you covered with one of those prizes.
We do. We have got a $100 Pack and Save voucher.
Ooh,
Oh.
coming your way.
Oh, but if you're thinking, you know what, I just want to keep that. I just want to go. I want to take my Christmas ham and stay home and just devour it. But then after that, I want to sort of get back to my tinana and feeling good about my hauora. Then we've got a 5-class Pilates voucher.
Oh, Pilates.
And not to give away all the prizes, but also if you're a follower of Eare and Mara, you know that it's Wednesday Pie Day every Wednesday. And we haven't been doing Wednesday Pie Day for the last couple of weeks. But we've got a whole week worth of our favourite pie of the year.
That's right.
Oh.
Nom, nom, nom. So we've got lots. We've got merchandise. We've got
Ooh, that sounds
T-shirts.
yum.
We've got vouchers. We've got restaurant vouchers.
Your wall get any fake?
Whoa.
Yeah, I reckon.
Whoa. Did you say pies?
We've got all you can eat
Like 'em.
pies. But all you have to do is stay tuned for today. We'll give you more details on how you can enter this, because anyone can enter as many times as you like. And then you won't know
Yes.
who wins until next Monday the 13th for 12 days.
Oh, Christmas.
Christmas!
Christmas.
Oh,
Oh, man.
Are you ready, Hina?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you go to the moon itself?
I went to. I was just like, while you guys were doing that, because I was so distracted because I was talking to
No
him as you
way.
were doing that. Yeah,
Right, right.
yeah. No,
Okay.
way.
Okay, are you ready now?
Yeah, I'm ready now. Go. Go.
Hina.
It's a win,
Oh.
peace with him.
Oh my gosh. Hina tangi manawa.
I reckon you should turn them down too. So it's like an under
Oh.
thing.
I reckon
I
you
don't,
should just
I don't
start.
know. I don't know which ones you even are.
Oh, we're not the first one.
No, because
That's
maybe you
you.
tuned us off.
So you
Oh.
stay up and then turn us down.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh.
Then you can see.
Don't tune us off. Are you ready now?
Yeah.
Now you know that
Yeah.
hard sound. Go hard. Morena, it's iwi. We got everybody on.
Okay.
Yep, let's do it.
Tangi manawa.
Tēnā koutou katoa.
Ia hau.
I roa te wā tātou i kōrero ai. Engari, ko te wahanga o te maramataka, ko Uenuku. O Uenuku. It just says here, peace within, peace to all. Just, he mama, kia mama tō whātata nei whakaro whānei. Peace within, peace to all. O Uenuku. Yeah, that's it. Just be peaceful within and peaceful to big finish.
Hey! Wairua o
Yes, that was good. I was like, nah. I can't get in there. I can't get in.
Sorry.
Oh,
it's still working.
Anyway,
I
right.
forgot that
Oh.
with
Let's
box
play
of
a
tissues
song.
is just tripod.
My tripod, yeah.
It's 7:26 a.m. here in Te Whangarei, tai kohi kohinga kutai. Push
You're
the
listening to
button.
Eare
Play a
Mara.
song.
Let's go.
No reira whānei, ko hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe, we have Pere Wihongi with te hā o Aotearoa. No reira, kaue huri ki te anaki, a te Hine FM.
Mai tō tātou reo I te rā e whiti ana I te hau e pupuhi nei I te hihiko o te uira Mai tō tātou reo I te ana I ngā o te rākau I tēnei whenua taurikura Tukuna mai te hā o te aroa Pereo mali e Tukuna mai te hā o tēnei whenua O te hā o pereo mali e Yaku mai tō tātou reo I te wai e koto ana I te reo ngā manu I te kohu kātau I te papa I tō tātou reo Nā hua o te moana I ngā whetū e pia tāna I ngā rangi tūhaha Tukuna mai hā o te aroa O te aroa O te hā o te reo Mari e Reo mari e Tukuna mai te hā o tēnei whenua Tēnei whenua O te hā o te reo Mari e Ho mai te hā O Aotearoa Ho mai te hā O tōku whenua Tukuna mai te hā O Aotearoa O te hā o te reo Mari e Reo mari e Tukuna mai te hā O te hā o te reo Mari e Reo mari e O te hā o te reo Mari e Mari e
He mea tau.
Kona te manga
Iwa te kaima iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. Iwa te kaima iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi. Ngā tihine FM. Mōre nei te iwi. It is Are Mara. Marcia Luke Phoenix. Mai te whetu ki te iwa. Yes, the bottom half of Phoenix's face. Online as well. Morena.
Morena.
Because someone took my box of tissues tripod.
So, Marcia, what am I doing again?
We're
my
going
Googling?
into emu that we play every day. Kia arake
Aye.
te roro.
Mm.
Nō reira, ko tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga e kia nei ko.
Boom.
Hey!
Oh, yeah, there, Mara whānau, our opportunity to play a game, wake us up, get ready to go again.
That's
Yes. So te kemu mo te rangi nei
Yes.
is articulate.
right. Yes.
So
Yes.
everybody get articulate game word list.
Game
Articulate.
word list.
Aye. and then we're going to have a list of words to articulate and to guess what my words are.
Oh, okay.
Yours look like
Pēra ki te kēmu ina
Oh.
nahira.
that.
Engari, we've got a word list for us.
Ooh,
Okay.
okay.
Te marama?
But how's it work again? Sorry, I just say a word.
No, you articulate it.
But I say the word and
No,
articulate it. Oh, so I
we
describe
guess
just
it.
have a
If
list.
you've given it.
Oh, so I
Listen
describe
to the words
so I
coming out my mouth.
So I describe the word.
Yes. Do you know what
Yeah.
articulate means?
I just haven't played it before. But yes, okay, got you.
It means describe you.
Stupid. Articulate. Okay. All right. Here we go.
Okay,
All
here
right.
we go.
All right.
Maku e tāti?
Yeah.
Okay, you've got to buzz on to say, we'll just do this, okay? Guess my word.
Okay.
Okay, it's a word that you use
No.
when you've got visitors over and you're trying to be hospitable and you allow them to stay at your house.
It's a word that you use for being hospitable and stay at your house.
Yes.
Generous.
No,
Um,
starts with an A.
Manakitanga.
Kind of. It starts with an A.
Accommodating.
Aroha.
very good.
Oh,
Accommodating.
You go.
Okay, it's a word that you use when you're on a panel against somebody else, or actually you're going to the Olympics.
Judge.
No, but you are opposite someone else that's for the same game.
Opponent.
Nearly starts with a C. And you-
Computer.
Yes.
Oh, nice. A transparent wall.
A glass.
Oh, close.
Window.
Yeah.
Oh, that was
So far I'm
good.
winning. Nah.
that was very good.
A what do you call it? A thing that you write after you pose. I can't say the word.
Caption.
It's like not an exclamation mark.
Oh.
Question mark.
Yes, there you go.
Ah, you go, Phoenix. You have one.
I have one. I had one.
Oh, okay. All right, fine. It's a word that you use to keep yourself feeling good when you could be in a lull.
Ooh.
Positive, uplifting.
On
Happy.
that same sort of and other people can do it too to make you feel good.
Cheerful.
Tall. Manaki.
Hug.
Cuddle. Cut out.
Cuddle.
Okay, maybe not that word.
No, carry on.
It's okay when someone is trying to
Inspire.
encourage you to be your very best, and some people do that as a job, and they talk to people.
Motivate.
Motivate. There you
Oh,
I
go.
thought you
yes.
said motivate.
Compliment. Good guess.
when you this one is when you
Tokotoro tapu.
oh, that's hard.
Articulate.
Articulate something that you enjoy doing,
Wow, that could be
but that's not work.
Holiday.
No,
Vacation.
no,
That's not
it's
work.
something that's like fun
Travel.
that you do in your spare time.
drinking.
Chill.
No, but
Relax.
what are
Swimming.
like the category of those things?
Entertainment.
No,
Oh,
Variety.
yeah.
like something that you're
Hobbies.
passionate. Yes.
That was
Nice.
a good one. Well
Hobbies.
Very
done.
good.
To do-
Okay, I've got all these things and I'm giving them away for you at a price.
Sales rep.
Yes.
Oh.
Nah,
Oh.
it's not. Selling.
Selling. Okay. It's something that all of us three are currently, and we have worked.
Successful.
Oh yeah, I'll give
Beautiful.
you that. I will give you that.
Big muscles.
Big muscles.
Fit ass.
Big daddy.
I'm not a big daddy.
We all this, and we all left our jobs to become this.
Self-employed.
Another word-
Entrepreneur.
Yes. Well done.
Ah,
Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
Finish the sentence. The law of
attraction.
yes.
Oh.
These are another word for pants.
Trousers.
Yes.
Pants.
Pants. I got to go put the pants on. Would you hop in my pants?
Yeah, but the pants. Do the no pants dance.
Oh, this is getting. Oh, it's the. Okay. it's a way of communicating with people all over the world, but everyone is on
Calling.
it all the time, and it's another form of
Internet.
advertising and marketing. But we
Social
all,
media.
yes.
Ah, nice. This is how you would describe a rapper who's good at rapping, and he's actually like more specifically, he's very good at writing. Like he's good at the wordsmith. So you would call
he
him
is,
A writer.
No, he's
It's a
articulate.
compliment. Yeah, kind of. No, it's a specific to like
writing.
to rappers. They're like,
Rapper.
oh, that like there's a rapper who's
He's
like
got some
they got
bars.
good beats, and then there's rappers like J. Cole who are
Kaka.
Who are
I don't know.
like who are
Lit.
like Kendrick Lamar, who's like very like. Someone in the comments. Anyone comments? Got me?
No, keep going though. This is good.
Poets are this too.
Poet.
Poets are this too. Like, so you would look at a
Romantic.
poet.
they're good. Like they can
Oh,
articulate
fluid.
themselves. They're really
Yeah,
good at
but they're
describing
wordsmiths.
their wordsmiths.
So
So
they-
that around that more.
Fluidity.
So there's like, so you know when you go to look up the words for a song, what are words for a song called?
Lyrical.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, there we go.
Lyrical.
Very cool.
That was
Lyrical.
good.
That was very cool.
That was
Very
That was very lyrical.
Very
Very lyrical.
Okay. I've got. Should we do last round?
Yeah.
Well done, Mons, well done.
What's a good one? I am angry.
Marcia.
Yeah, we can tell.
Yeah.
But what's your game?
I'm angry. And I always come across this way.
Marcia.
It's very angry, but it's not angry.
RBF.
It's
Marcia. You're very
What's
angry and
the
you come
word?
across this way. Oh, menopausal.
Menopausal.
No.
no, that's you.
I can't do that. Hormonal.
No,
You angry? You
no,
come.
it's another word. Oh wow, it's using that. If you're angry and like, whoa, settle down. Stop being,
you s-
Over dramatic.
stop being.
stop being angry.
Stop being.
Stop being
Hoha.
so.
over the top,
Yeah, that,
dramatic.
but in an angry way, which is
Over the top.
Stop
Stop being
being
so.
like, oh my gosh, that's possessive. You're being very possessive. but-
aggressive.
Yes.
Oh,
well done, you.
nice.
Okay.
No,
Nice.
not well done. That took ages.
My last one. Here we go. As business people that we are, we send invoices to what?
Accountants.
No,
accounting.
to bring in money that is going to create more.
Revenue.
Finance.
Another word for that. When it goes from this to this amount, because that's what you've earned, because that's what you've.
Profit.
Yes, well
Uh,
done. There you go. Calm your
last
bum.
one. Last one from me. When you're overly zealous to do something.
Oh, confident.
Eager.
Yes.
Ooh.
Eager.
Oh, nice.
Nice work. That was my last one.
Yeah, very good.
Passive aggressive. Yes, that's a good one too, Marlene.
Kia ora. Oh,
Hi,
kia ora
Marlene.
whānau from Dubbo, New
Oh,
South Wales.
Hey.
Yeah,
Dubbo.
Yeah.
Dubbo.
We'll head down to the bottle and just get some
Dubbo.
some tuies. Some tuies.
Nah, it's not some toys, mate. It's only got VB here, mate. It's a Dubbo. Only got
He
VB.
signed in at the Dubbo. Dubbo. Jubo? Maybe it's
Yes.
Jubo.
Well, that was our
Definitely Dubbo. But probably,
Dubbo.
maybe the indigenous people call it Dubo.
Dubo. Dubo.
That was our ERE mara for the morning whānau. Kua hoki tātai ki te mito o te rohe, we have Don't Give It Up from 660.
Like, don't give it up.
Your day job. Don't give it up. Nō reira, kauhuri ki tēnā ki whānau.
Won't give it up. No, no, no. So don't even try. People lie. All they do is dance between the lines. Change, fake gold chains, the shades to hide those eyes. I can't complain, it's just the nature of these times. Don't give it up. I'm telling you I won't give it up. No, no, no. So don't even try. Yeah. Oh, I was you trying to find a way to waste my youth. Ups and downs, round and round the world, it turns on you. I can't complain, nature of these times. Don't give it up. Hey. I'm telling you, I won't give it up. No, no, no. So don't even try. Don't give it up. I'm telling you, I won't give it up. No, no, no. So don't even try. Give it up. I'm telling you, I won't give it up. No, no, no. So don't even try.
If you're having doubts about the vaccine, it's okay and you're not alone. Our Healthline team is here to listen and talk with you about how you're feeling. We're here to talk through any questions you have about the vaccine and your health, and we'll have specialists available if you need more information. There's no pressure, no rush, and calls are free and confidential. Chatting with someone who understands is a great way to help you feel confident about making the decision that's right for you. Healthline team are here to talk from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m, 7 days a week on 0800 282926.
From November 28th, it'll be illegal to smoke in cars with kids present.
I did it for my 9 mokopuna.
For my kids,
They are healthy.
Helps them flourish, thrive. What could be more worth?
drive smoke-free for Tamariki.
Te Rauora is celebrating our essential workers with the Ngā Mihi campaign. We want to demonstrate our gratitude and aroha before Christmas by saying Ngā Mihi, and we want you to do the same. Visit the Ngā Mihi website and create a Ngā Mihi for our frontline and essential workers. Share your mihi through your social media network. Stay connected for up-and-coming events, competitions and celebrations. You can find all the details at www.ngamihi.com.
Parts of Aotearoa are at red. Other parts are at orange. With My Vaccine Pass, you can access everything. Will have capacity limits at red and none at orange. Without My Vaccine Pass, there are more restrictions around where you can go and what you can do, including at events and most businesses. Scan in everywhere you go and wear a face covering when out and about. For details about your area's colour setting, go to covid19.govt.nz.
The rhythm of the Rohe.
And I hit that on up. Like you phone, baby, who is this? And I hit that on up. You know life, it ain't always sunny.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Mai te hurihanga o ka wharu tainoa ki te peo whairangi me etahi pechi tanga ki te hokianga. Ngāti Hine FM.
Oh, that's my patchy.
Yes, my
So
patchy
good.
tanga, because we have some fun out of Miti. They're like, we can just get you. We can
get
just
you
get
patchy
you.
on the
top of the hill.
Yeah. You're a little bit patchy, but we hang in there.
Yes, so if you are listening from Miti or Panguru in that area, tēnā koutou, was great being in your fella's hood the other week.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, we were
go you
traveling
guys.
all over the north last week, which was pretty
Hard.
cool.
It was epic.
Got to see the like winterless north.
Oh, man,
It's buzzy
both
'cause-
sides, both coasts. I
Yeah,
don't
it's
mind.
buzzy because you're west coast and obviously the sun sets in the
Sets.
west, so it's like daylight there till like 9 o'clock.
Oh,
Hard.
nice.
We were going
Far
for
out.
swims at 9 o'clock.
Yeah,
Yes,
like,
you were. That's right. I saw your Insta. I was
Yeah.
like, wow,
That was a
chat.
goer.
that was buzzy. It
Yeah,
was
he
buzzy.
better.
Anyway,
Better.
we're going to get into our topical news for the morning funny. Crossing live to Mr. Luke Bird out on the street. Luke Bird, what's your topical news? for
Yeah,
today?
good morning, Phoenix, and good morning to you, Marcia. Welcome to Topical News.
Oh, good morning to you, Lou.
You know,
Good morning to me.
Good morning to you all out there in Tufanga or Ray Pie.
Ah,
How's it going, Lou?
Yeah, good, Marcia. Thank you for asking. Look, over in England, a young mum is 23 years old and did not realise she was giving birth and was even pregnant until she was in labour 50 minutes before.
Get out of here. You're in England?
Yeah, I'm in England. I'm out here in England, Marcia, with Liz. Well, not Philip anymore because he's carked it.
Oh, wow.
But I'm here with Liz, and we're discussing the irony of the fact that this young mum, who's 23 years old, gave birth without knowing she was pregnant. She only realised she was pregnant 50 minutes before the baby's head popped out.
Wow.
That is creating a little bit of headlines because apparently she was full-time on the pill. Now, if you know the pill, the pill, suppresses the whole eggy thing from happening and the sperm getting
And
in.
the spooky.
It's a nice scrambled eggs.
But she woke up one morning, early in the morning, thinking she had a sore stomach. Realised it escalated more to what she thought was appendicitis. Her father rushed her to the hospital because she was just in so much pain. On the way to the hospital, waters broke. Got to the hospital, said, I don't know what's happening, but I'm wet. And then 30 minutes later after that, baby comes out. What? Where did it come
Fiona, how old was she?
from? 23.
Oh,
But she was,
holy
she was
heck.
on the pill, so she's not too sure. And
yeah,
I think
she's like,
someone's
Dad,
telling.
take me to the hospital. I'm going to sore picky.
Yeah, and she gave birth to a little happy little girl.
Yeah, no,
Oh, that's so cool.
Dad, I promise I've never done it before.
Yeah.
I've never done it before.
Meg will
Dad.
marry a hoe.
Yeah, I'm married. You know that. And then, what?
All right. Thank you for
What
that.
a
All the way from England. Love
England,
it.
yeah, 23 years old, gave
Oh,
birth
wow.
50 minutes before she even realised she was pregnant.
Okay.
Wow.
You know when we used to watch Home Alone?
Yes.
I love that movie. And there was always that scene with the toy store and
Oh, it looked amazing.
I don't know, but from there I always
Mr.
the thought of sleeping at like one of those places was always like a cool idea.
Yeah,
or like
yeah.
a warehouse or a
Or just being
Kmart.
stuck
Yeah.
in a mall or
Yes.
something. Yeah.
Well, this
So-
place in Denmark in Aalborg.
segue.
Yeah. These IKEA staff had to 25 IKEA staff and some customers that were in the store at the time
Yes.
were trapped
Oh,
because there was a snowfall.
Oh,
And so they all had to stay overnight in the IKEA shop.
Yes.
And so they all just camped
that can
out.
bounce around.
Yeah,
So they probably were just in there arguing about how to put cabinets together.
probably took them all night and they only did one cabinet.
Yeah.
But they were dining at the at the store's food more part. 'cause
cool.
it's lucky it's got
Yeah.
cool
Yes.
stuff in
The
it.
bed section.
Yeah,
You know
and
how
then they all had a bed
I
each.
love that.
Cracked
Speaking
it.
of, IKEA, they open at
That'll be
Sylvia
fun.
Park, I think, next year.
Oh wow.
IKEA, Sylvia
Oh,
Park. Yeah.
Yeah.
IKEA.
You know how in like malls they have like heaps of Christmas lights and decorations in that?
Yes.
Well,
Oh, great segue.
well, in a few days there'll be 9 lovely sites to visit on an evening walk to see beautiful light displays here in Whangarei.
Yes. let's
So you
go.
follow the trail through from Laurie Hall up to Cameron Street Mall, back down to the town basin, and then along Aotea Loop you can spot all of the bursts of colours along the way.
Oh,
So there's
The what colours?
bursts of colours.
Oh, I was like Bursal.
Bursts of colours. A burst of colours. So the lights will be on display from 6 p.m. till 10 p.m. on Friday the 10th,
cool. That's this Friday.
Sunday the 12th, and Friday 17th, Sunday the 19th of December. So there are a few different days. Laurie Hall Park, look at the fountain flowing and the Pahuta Kawa tree on the hill.
Oh, so majestic.
Yes. Cameron Street Mall.
Oh.
Cameron Street Mall, the canopy has stars floating above the reindeers flying by. Oh, Town Basin. Oh, Christmas tree lit up, shining so bright. You can also stroll past and see our friends at the marina with their decorated boats.
I
Town
think that
Basin
says
Playground.
I know
Marina.
what the arena tastes like.
Town Basin Playground, dancing in the tree, happy and bright. Mangrove Walkway.
You're really selling this to me.
Yeah. Walk along the path and you will come across vivid colours that pop and dance.
Oh, get it.
Tui fitting a bridge, Insta-worthy snaps. Make you get lots of photos you walk across the bridge.
Oh.
Te Matou Apohe Bridge. Our Bascule Bridge stands so proudly on the Hatea River. Whatever that means. Riverside Drive. As you head along Riverside, you will notice the uplights on our Kiwi Christmas trees. Canopy Bridge as you head back to the city.
Okay.
You will walk over the bridge, lit up, colourful and bright. You will see a bunch of rainbows.
Absolutely.
Yeah, speaking of Christmas lights, that sounds cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I've got another story.
That was on
Well,
the
I've
Whanganui
got one
District
before
Council
that.
page.
Sorry.
Well,
Because it's a great segue.
Still more lights.
From
No.
the Christmas lights, you'll see a guy over in the US that's been charged for reckless driving or driving straight into the Christmas tree.
Oh, heck no.
Oh, but
So hopefully no one does that here in Whanganui because I want to see some bursts of colour.
birth. I was
Along.
And some
Bascule.
Bascule bridges.
So you know how Mary, the mother of Jesus, gave birth without knowing she was pregnant. Oh, you don't know who the father
She
was.
knew.
but she knew that wasn't Joseph's, right?
Yeah, but
Well-
she did know the father was our Lord and
No.
Savior.
Well, you know how she just gave birth and she was... Well, this girl in England just gave birth 50 minutes before she was
You
pregnant.
do the same one. It's like Groundhog Day.
Segue.
You're segue. I'll segue you. You're fine.
You know how Mary gave birth and
Great segue.
Oh, I
Great
love the
segue.
lights. That
You know,
was great.
speaking of Segway, we've got them for hire around the loop.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that would be fun.
We've actually
Yeah.
thrown it out there.
Yes, it's called Just Never Do It.
Yeah. Nifa segue.
What's the space anyway? That's your topical news, unless you've got something more topical than that.
No, I thought that was quite out there that she gave birth
Oh.
without knowing she was even pregnant.
Also, just like it's a
Poor
new
girl.
week of being Vax passporty.
Yes.
Is showing Vax passports since people have had problems, people have been fined.
People are
Blah, blah,
screenshotting
blah.
too without the
Yeah.
real one.
Yes, but a tip that Hillary Barry
Oh,
gave
you're
last night.
thinking Halle Berry.
That'd be cool if she contacted us.
Yes, well, Hillary and Halle Berry gave the same tip last night: is put the Vax passport as your lock screen. Because then you have to go in and then unlock it, and then it takes ages, and then Karen behind you is like, "Oh, come on!" And then you're like, "Oh, I just want to forget it." So put it as your lock screen.
Yes, that's a very good idea.
Oh, yeah, because then you can just light
Shang.
it up. And,
Yes,
yeah,
but
true.
also for the Marcia Hooper out there, download your Vax passport.
Have you still not done it?
You can't go anywhere.
Oh, Mars. Oh, you're
It's actually a good incentive for me to save money because I haven't done it. So
Because you say you can't go places.
Do you have to have it to go
Can't
to a
go to the gym.
supermarket? Or is it just because anyone can go to supermarkets, can't they?
I don't know.
I'm sure anyone can just
I,
go to
I
supermarkets.
honestly haven't been asked for one yet.
Oh, I got asked the other day. It was quite funny.
Yeah, I haven't been. I'm like, you know how when you're young and you finally get your full driver's license and you're like, yeah, pull me over, someone, and
Yeah,
you
yeah.
never get pulled over once you get
Yes.
for some reason. Well, it's the same thing with the vaccine passport. I was like, yo, got my vaccine passport ready to scan.
And
Nah,
no one-
I know.
no one's been
Despite
asking for
all
it.
the stereotypes you got through, I'm impressed.
Yeah, the security guard still follows me around the shop.
Yeah.
Uh,
They didn't ask for
there's
your
still
Vax
that part.
passport. They just asked for your
Yeah, yeah.
actual ID.
Yeah, actual.
I did witness a lady yesterday getting told she couldn't come into somewhere.
Oh,
I felt sorry
be
for
like,
her.
girls, it's been around for
The,
it.
the guy was lovely, but he's
Oh.
like, "Oh, can I see your vaccine passport?" And she goes, "No, I don't have one. We don't believe in that." And so he said, "I'm sorry, but you can't come in here." And I thought, "Oh no!" And,
And then at
Yeah.
the same time, did you go?
I was drinking my coffee, going,
Oh,
Yeah.
And
Sam.
but then her response to him was she yelled at her kids about the place, and then the kids were like, "Why can't we go in, Mum?" And she's like, was another one that doesn't want us. And I was like, oh.
Well, it's been the case for a while.
And of course, he wanted the
Yeah,
person
yeah.
in, but he was like, well, I asked him, are you okay? And he goes, yeah, well, otherwise $15,000 fine.
Yeah.
I don't like the segregation it
No, me
causes,
too.
but
Nah.
yeah, that's it. We're going to see a lot of that, and
Yeah.
it's not nice.
Nah.
But it's not them doing it; it's the government.
Yeah.
Here to the TNA.
Yeah,
That's
it's not
very
the
good.
businesses.
That's a very good, very
what
good
did it say?
advice.
Yeah.
Oh, the lock screen is a good idea for putting up daily itineraries or to-do lists, especially if you have a busy day.
Oh.
You're Natalie Jane. She says a lot, doesn't she?
Thank you, Natalie.
Anyway, Friday, we got to get back into our music before we get back to Waitea news. So we have Waramu Hohaya. Notice you. And then after that, we have our news from Waitea as well as our hakina from Waitea. Nō reira whānau, kia au tonu mai hakua te ro tana kōrero, kia au tonu mai whānau.
It's news. Puro te wā.
Puro te wā. Nō reira, Ngati Hine FM.
I love
From a distance, so good I'll face it the day with you. Na 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 na. I met this really nice guy sitting by a fountain on a sunny day, with short brown curly hair and his hazel green eyes caught my attention. And then he got up slowly and walked across the green, green grass. He came to me unexpectedly and introduced himself to me. He said, I could not help but notice you from a distance. So could I visit the day with you? Na 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 na. I could not help but notice you from a distance. So could I visit the na 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 na.
Then she sat down and we talked a while. Told me her name, also versatile. The way she spoke, the way she stared. When she looked at me, she looked at me. I tell you I couldn't help what was going on. Couldn't believe she was sitting right in front of me. I'm so glad. Na 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 na.
Notice you from a distance. So could I visit the day with you? Na 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 na.
I'll think of you in the morning light and when the sun's on high and blue.
I'll think of you when it all falls down and my days are caught in you.
I think of you when I'm down and out and I'm facing my darkest blues.
Kia hiwara, e whai ake nei ko ngā pito pito kōrero.
E ngā iwi o te motu tēnā koutou katoa. Scotty Morrison tēnei me ngā upoko kōrero o te wā nā te pūtea taunaki a te māngai pāho. E whai ake nei te iwi ko te kaupapa rangahau hō I Wainganui I ngā marae o te tonga o Tāmaki Makaurau. Ana e ohorere ana etahi I te whakaaro e rere ana I Wainganui te ara Pautama kia tukua ngā taiohi ki ngā whare here here mō ngā pakeke me ngā hā kinekina e whai ake nei. Ko whakarewa hia he kaupapa rangahau hō I Wainganui I ngā marae o te tonga o Tāmaki Makaurau ko moko te ingoa. Patau ki ngā whakamārama a tētahi o kai rangahau ara Apania Newton.
Ko matau tērā e rangahau ana e kinihia ana he hanga hia o mātou whānau a mō o mātou marae whenua mō ngā uri whakatipu hoki. Ki te kinihia rangahaua hoki mātou te te mea, he aha ngā mea, e whakakiki ana i tō mātou oranga, wairua, tinana, hinengaro, ngākau, whānau, hapu, iwi, he aha aua mea. Kia aha i mātou, ki te kapua keki aua mea, kia ūpunu, kia whakamaua kia tina, kia ora pai ai o mātou marae, i rupu tēnei au huri.
E o horere ana e tahi o ngā māngai o te ao Māori i te whakaaro e rere ana i Wainganui te ara Poutama kia tukua ngā taiohi ki ngā whare here mō ngā pakeke. Ana ira Glenys Philippa, kōmihana tamariki Māori.
Oho katua mātou ki te tari i te rongotanga atu ki ngā momo neke ngā momo prene e whakahaere nei e te tari kia ki ngā whare here me ki. Ia ki te kōrero kai te whakaritere te mātou mo te āhuatanga kaimui te aroaro o tātou katoa, ne? Whakaritere mo te taenga mai o te COVID. Engari rā, oho katoa mātou i te rongo, kai te whai whakaro rātou mo te aukati o ngā wahi.
Kua whai o rautaki hou ngā kaiarahi o Tauranga Moana e kōrero atu ai rātou ki ngā rangatahi mo te kano ārai, kei te whakamahia he mata, engari kaua ko ngā mata o a rātou kawereo, he mata nui ke ake i era. Hei tā Maioha Gardner o Ngāti Rangatahi, ka taraiwa ngā rangatahi i o rātou waka ki tētahi paparehia, marae rānei ki te mātakitaki kiriata ki runga mata tino nui tai ore. Ka kōrero ki a rātou mo te kōwhiori me te kano ārai. Hei tāna i tīmata te kaupapa nei i roto o ngā rua wāhia i Waikato, ka tahi ka horapa ki e tahi atu takiwā. No ngā wiki tata nei ka whea ko tātou katoa i te pūnaha rama toru mo te wā tuatahi. Hoi anō, kua hua wai a haere tātou ki tērā pūnaha i aia nei. Ka whakamahi tātou i wā tātou tohu kano ārai ki te uru ki ngā whare kai, ngā whare hā kinekina, ngā whare kawhe me ngā whare kiriata. Hoi anō rā kei te māharahara tonu etahi mātanga hauora ki tēnei pūnaha nei, tai atu rā hoki ki te huakitanga o ngā kuaha o Tāmaki Makaurau mo te kirihimete. Hei tā Michael Bay atu i tēnei wā nei ka tino ki i te pikitanga haeretanga, te māhorahora haeretanga o te kōwhiori ki Wainganui i te motu whānui. Hei tāna he wā tēnei e tino matara ake ai tātou katoa. Kei te aki tonu i ngā tāngata katoa ka we i Tāmaki Makaurau mo te kirihime mō ngā rārā nei o te kia whai whakamātautau rātou i mua i te wehenga. Kua whakarewa tētahi wahine Māori i toa nei i roto i ngā whakataetae wahine rerehua i ngā tau ōmua. I tētahi hōtaka hou, hei whakaaue i ngā kōhine Māori ki eke rātou ki te taumata, mā roto atu i te whakakotahi i te ao Māori me te ao whakataetae wahine rerehua. Nā te kaunihera ārohe o ahuriri te pūtea tautoko i te hōtaka hine pūrotu. Ko te wahine e kōkiri ana i te hōtaka nei, ko Harlem Cruise Atarangi i Haia, wahine rerehua tukupū o Aotearoa i te tau 2017. Ina ngeto e te iwi ko ngā tai pito kōrero hā kinekina.
Get your daily dose of Māori news and information. Pāki Waha, weekday mornings from 7 on Radio Wātea.
Kua aro nui ngā kapa rangatira tāne mai wāhine mai ki te ahurea Māori me te mana o te taiao e karapoti ana i a rātou. Hei āwhina i a rātou ki te hoa i o rātou kākahu tākaro hou. Ko ngā kōwhaiwhai ko ngā hihi o te rā. Ko te pāua te tohu kei runga i tō rātou kākahu mō ngā tākaro kei waho i te rohe. I nā koa te kōrero rā ka piri te pāua ki te toka, he piringa pāua, he piringa tāngata. Kua aro hoki e tahi atu kapa ki te taiao mō o rātou kākahu tākaro pēnei ngā kahurangi whatuna me ngā haua whiowhio. Hei peka, ko te whakapapa tō rātou whirinakitanga i roto i te hoahoatanga o tō rātou kākahu hou mo te tau 2022. Kua whai pūtea a Dave Letele o Ngāti Mania Poto e haere tonu ai a tana whawhai ki te mate mōmona kei Wainganui i te Māori. Hei tāna mā te pūtea nei e tau whiro ai i te kaupapa ara kia pai ake, kia kaha ake. Ko te hunga mōmona, ko te hunga ka māwiwi rānei te mōmonatanga ka whai hua nui. Koe ranga hā, kina, kia ora.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wātea, mā te reo, hei whakamārama.
He mea
Tautoko nā te māngai.
Ngāti Hine FM.
The Ngāti Hine FM Community Notice Board is a free service for non-profit organisations and community groups. Make your message heard, email us on air at ngatihinefm.co.nz, message us on Facebook, or simply call into our offices, Level 1, 5 Walton Street, Whangarei.
So we thought we could pay off a home loan,
And we had some money towards our deposit.
but it wasn't enough. Our deposit was a bit like an ad on the radio that's supposed to be 45 seconds long.
But we only had 15 seconds worth of stuff to say.
That sounds like my cue. If your deposit and a home loan aren't enough to buy a home, check out First Home Partner from Kainga Ora. It could bridge the gap. You and Kainga Ora will own your home together, and you buy out the Kainga Ora share over time until your home is all yours.
So we finally had what we needed to buy our first home.
And enough to spend a whole radio ad talking about it.
Check to see if First Home Partner might suit you. Visit kaingaora.govt.nz/First Home Partner.
The rhythm that rocks your day. Ngāti Hine FM.
Mai ngā rekereke o parihaka maunga ki te awa o Hātea Puta atu ki te whangau rei pai atu ki te ao Ngāti Hine FM.
Atu i te ao.
Mai ngā ngutu roa o te whanga o Reipai. Kohi kohi ngā
kūtai. Your plane is now departed.
Kia ora whana, you're back with the crew for our second hour of the show. Nō reira, if you're just joining us, where you been?
Where you been?
You missed my riveting kōrero about Christmas lights.
Oh, that was honestly another level of
So,
Pākehā.
there's a Christmas trail walk that you can go on.
It was so wide.
And it really was. It's a white Christmas, you know, snowy.
And look up and you can see the reindeer.
Yes.
It's like, do pigs fly?
The reindeer in the majestic Bakule tree.
Yeah.
Askew.
Lowry Hall Park.
Yeah.
It's so not dark. Down here.
In the park.
Yes. Go try and hit it right on the spot. Go. Christmas poem. Go.
Yes, go around.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Wherefore art thou, Christmas tree? Plant seed, and thou wilt up into your Christmas tree.
Oh, wow.
Where's your Christmas tree going?
How come it doesn't matter what you're talking about? It always seems like innuendo for something else.
Exactly.
You thought that.
You're just a walking innuendo.
Don't climb in my window.
Don't climb it.
I don't want to see your Christmas tree.
Christmas
Keep
tree
your
is so
seeds to yourself.
spiky and piney. I want to go and smell like a limey. Go and put my angel on the top. Don't go out and drink all the popsicles with the lemon and slime. Making sure you go on the line.
Got some bars. Yes. Christmas tree in Whangarei.
Yes.
Don't be like a cow and eat all the hay. Come around for all the presents. What are we talking about? We're talking about presents, not presents.
I see. Deep.
Lyrical, would you say?
I would say lyrical. Christmas time. Tell my kids, put your bed away. Sorry, no presents. Santa's on holiday.
We're going for like, you know, what we wanted for Christmas, not the true story.
Santa's on holiday, didn't get paid. Waiting for the Benny with
spinach and
with spinach and salmon. That's where I was going with
Gosh,
that.
you're hilarious.
Trying to buy a funny in this current market.
Oh yes.
Yeah, that's
Want to
hard.
toss it out? I'm
You know,
like,
Christmas, we're going to have to park it.
Oh, that's a
Yeah.
good one. I love it if I got a house for Christmas, like a big bow.
Yeah, that would
and
be
there's a
great.
house.
Oh, you just gave away my surprise. Nah, forget it.
You're not getting it
You
now.
killed it.
Oh. There's a lady, a
Send
friend,
it back.
a friend
Send
of
it
mine in
back.
That
Auckland,
one.
she's
I
in
just laugh if I got a house.
like a friend of mine in Auckland, she sells houses, but when she signs a deal with her customers, she goes to the house and
Puts
on
a
the
bow
front
on it.
of the house puts a ginormous bow around
Love
the
it.
front.
That's a great touch.
It's like, wow. And you turn up and you're like,
She sold $1 million house.
Yeah, she sells
for a
$1 million
ginormous
She
$10 boat.
she does work with Sotheby's, which are like the
Oh,
multi-million.
it's not even Harcourts, Kori Nana.
But still, I think that's cool.
Yeah, that's a good touch.
But I'd love it if someone bought me a house. For
Like
a
you'd get
present.
customers
Just
just
saying.
because of that.
Yeah.
Like if you're like, oh bro, I bought a house with this real estate. I got the whole hair bow on
Hard
the
out.
roof.
I think
That's
that's
extra
cool.
touch. Those extra touches. Nice
Especially
one.
with the baked cookies or the bread,
Yeah,
because they
yeah.
do that when people go in
To open home
to
and
look.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did they do that when you went on an open home?
No, we're not in that same price range.
Oh, so these open homes are just like, look,
Get
the
it.
keys there.
Yeah, exactly.
Have a look.
exactly
Take your
that.
shoes off. Oh,
Yeah, they're like,
bathrooms over
you
there.
know, no, don't look like much. You do much DIY? Yeah. Fixer upper. It's a fixer upper.
It's a fixer upper.
Like, hey, look at these hands. You look like I do any DIY.
Well, you do because you've got calluses.
They
on
get
your
open?
hands.
Yeah, or that's from lifting
But it
weights,
looks
not
like you're
doing
yeah,
any
it looks like
bloody,
the ring a dopa.
not doing
I'm the same. I
not
go, yeah, and I've got
building.
these
Not doing a
masculine
dick.
hands.
yeah.
Yeah, nah, give me a hammer.
No,
give me a
innuendo
hammer.
again.
Leave my hammer out of this.
Oh my god. Anyway, ngā tuhu or Tawhiri Mātia.
Ah,
Let's
yes.
go over back.
Tawhiri Mātia.
Oh, sing. Go, carry on, go.
E nei rā ko Tawhiri Mātia e pupuhi ana i ngā hau o te mana.
Oh, that's the whole weather report.
God, yeah, that's
What's
great.
the knots of Tawhiri?
Yeah, that was perfect.
Toru te kai.
It's 20.2 degrees right now in Te Whanga o Reipai. Feels like 21 degrees. How convenient. High of 24 degrees, 85% humidity, which is a lie. It should be 95. And it's just cloudy with possible showers. And the sunset tonight is 8:30 p.m.
Kia ora. Speaking about ngā tohu, we'll look at our tides of whangarei. Ngā tai o whangarei.
that's right.
High tide is at 11 o'clock this morning. Low tide at 5:30. Was it the other way around? Who will know? You go check yourself. They just get there with their whānau and they're like, oh, mas, yeah. We're ready to swim
Or
in the
they-
low tide. Well,
Over
what I
on the
was
other
meaning,
coast.
whānau, go get some kaimoana. They'd be frolicking out there.
They go do a bomb off the wharf and their hands and their feet are still out of the water.
Kia ora.
Oh, that's sad.
That's happened to a friend of mine. It was hilarious. It was actually not off a wharf. It was just like off a little sandbank, so slightly raised in the water. It looked like it was deep, but it wasn't. So his back hit the ground, like sand.
And
Sand.
went for a money.
Yeah, he went to go money, and so his back hit the ground.
Ow.
But so it was like water, and then all you could see was just hands and feet still out of the water. He was like, oh. It was, honestly,
terrible.
it was
Ow.
the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, wow.
Just thinking about it.
What the heck?
You're terrible.
And then
We're ready.
looking at our maramataka, it's very he wahi whakaaro tēnei.
Turn him down so you get the real
Oh, you get the
effect
Oh.
of your voice. Kia hau. Oh,
Wasn't
just
ready.
carry on.
I was ready.
Just carry on.
Tēnā no tātou. Ina pō, wow. Yeah, ina pō I kōrero atu kia hina. Kōrero atu kia mea atu kia oia. Ea te wahanga o te marama I te pōni. I mea mai. Ko ou e nuku. Te wahanga o te marama I te pōni. I was like, oh, sure. She was like, yeah. I was like, what does that mean? She was like, oh, man, just real simple today. Peace within, peace to all. So peace within yourself, peace in the iwi. Just real simple today, yeah. I was like, oh, sure. Kia ora hina.
Wai ru a o taro
That's our maramataka for the morning whānau. So, peace within, peace within, peace with all, peace out, homies. Oh, yeah, that's right.
I want to know if Sir K's actual last name is Leituvae or if it's Leituvae. Because there's no comma.
There's no eh.
Well, there's no
Like
one else.
Vae.
No one else. Well, I do that. The reason why I do that is because I went to a bank a few years
But
ago.
you're wrong.
And I thought her name was Vine. And I was like, thank you so much. And she goes, it's Vine.
Oh.
So I'm like, okay, well, peace, sister. There's no line, there's no a slash, there's no macron. So I was just like, all good. So I just say it how I now
Yeah.
feel I say.
And
I hope it's
Vai.
too vague.
But you know how it's Hawaii because they've got the eye. The last two eyes is one eye, and then that isn't it? What's that called?
The extra one.
Yeah,
No,
it's
that-
got the comma.
Yeah, the comma,
that little
thing.
dash.
and then another eye.
Yes.
That makes it the
Ai.
Yeah. I.
Well, it might be. I don't know.
I went to.
But it hasn't got one of those.
well, I used to work at.
Ask her. Tell us. I don't know. It could be.
Yeah.
Am I saying it right or wrong? I quite like
Vai.
Lita Le Tuvae.
I like it as I say.
It's Tairi planes, alright?
And we're her faves. My faves.
Yeah. I used to work at Raukura Hauora o Tainui in South Forks.
Oh, of course you
And
do.
I went to work at the school, and everyone there was everyone at the
Pacific
school was
Island.
somewhat like
Oh, yeah.
Pacific Island, like everyone. And then so I was reading the role. Kia ora, I'm looking for like Sione, Siale, like all of those people, lay to my vae. and then I was like, and is there a Penelope? And the whole, honestly, everyone cracked, the whole class.
Penelope.
And like,
we did that.
And the Luke.
yeah, look, and it was literally the only Pākehā girl
Penelope.
in the class.
Yes.
Penelope, but she loved it because like for the whole rest of the year, her name was Penelope. in the
Penelope, she
classroom.
was one of the
I'm
crew.
included now.
Yeah.
We
Yeah,
did
so
that
I
in
loved
Hawaii.
it.
Remember, we went over and we're like, oh, Honolulu, Waikiki, Pipeline. And it's
Oh, yeah.
pipeline.
So it's like. No, it's
It's
like.
like.
Like,
Oh, pipeline. No,
No, that's just
it's pipeline.
hit English, didn't they?
Aye.
Yeah, Penelope. So if there's
So-
any Penelopes listening, malo.
Malo.
Oh, see, you just don't
Thank you, Sarah K. Heta Le tu vai.
Vai. Vai. Masi,
But it's one of those things like she probably, I don't know if it's correct, but she, you know, like, because people say Marsha all the time and I don't correct them. Like, I don't mind.
Oh, I would.
Like-
People go, is your name short for Lucas?
Oh,
No,
if they
she's
ask
Luke.
me,
Oh,
if they ask me, is your name Marsha? I'll go Marcia. But I'm like, oh,
I can spell
Marsha,
same,
you're
yes.
next. Then I'm like, sweet, that's
oh,
me.
wow. They always
Yeah.
look at me and they go, oh, ooh. I'm like, what? That's not my name.
Did they say ooh?
That's not my name. What the hell?
Why would they say ooh for?
Or my nick. Everyone
Because
knows.
like it's silent PHON.
But everyone,
Oh, that's too hard.
and just with the ooh.
like for some reason, everyone knows my nickname because everyone when they see me, they go, ah. And I'm like, yeah, that's my nickname. That's what mum and dad called me when I was little.
Really? What was your nickname?
He's like buying it
I would
off.
buy it because my nickname was
My
Cuckoo.
nickname is Girl.
Oh, girl. Oh, yes.
Oh, creative.
yeah, so creative. I think, yeah, or like there's obviously that Marcy Girl,
Yes.
There's-
Marcy girl. Dog.
Marcy, Dog.
Dog.
Thanks, Dog.
Hey, dog.
Mine's Finaki, but that's with a pretty.
Finaki tata katoa. Kia kotahira.
Finaki, that's right.
Yeah, that's because and that was because Aonui, who in Cup's son,
Yeah.
when he was little, he couldn't say Phoenix. They used to call me Finaki. So
Ah,
then that
yeah.
stuck.
See, that's
Yeah.
where my that Mahi came from.
Yes.
My niece Rawania, who spoke only Maori,
Ah.
and so my name was Atimahi, and it's stuck.
Yes.
That's perfect.
Finaki.
Anyway, reverting radio.
Reverting
Let's
radio.
get back.
What's
Push the
your
button.
nickname in the comments? Tell us. Oh my gosh.
Tell us. Oh, my goodness.
And we'll give you one. Everybody gets a name today.
yeah.
Mhm.
Still to come in the next couple minutes is Iti Te Kupu. Heoi.
Ah, yes.
Nui.
Te kōrero.
Thank you
Nui
for
te
not giving you the
kōrero.
innuendo.
Oh, and also we'll give you more information on how you can enter the 12 days of Christmas.
Oh, yes.
It's
Yeah.
the most
Wonderful time of the year.
Can I just see if this works while we're here?
Oh, yes.
Doesn't.
It's the 12 days of Christmas! Oh, 12 days of Christmas!
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
It's great.
Yeah.
It does work.
It works. I'll talk to you more about our 12 days of Christmas competition.
Blessy, blessy.
Heaps of prizes to give away. Heaps of prizes to give away. But before that, We're going to get back into our music. We have Stan Walker with
Yes,
Mate
let's go.
Mate Aone.
Oh, not your other one.
Nah, I didn't put this one in there.
Oh.
This one was already there, believe it or not. Look, Reira. Kau huri ki te ana ki ngā TNFM.
Slow, but I like it.
It is, yeah. It's slow, but it's Stan, you know, like hanging there.
Anything stands.
Yeah, with that. A TNFM.
Me ko wanua te utu Takahia toara He kupu te ki te amai Kia mara mai Te ata kei toma mai Kia manau atahi ai Kua motu te here, te whakawhere, te mati here Kia paurana kupu, te hate tuku, te mate aone
I promise to love you, to cherish you, honor you, be faithful and loyal to you always.
That I was so blessed to have love, and that some people never get to experience that.
But have you searched and lost and found? If time was what it cost, are we overspending now? Couldn't find the words to say. Does it hurt when you explain? Is there a shadow in your brain? Maybe it hurts us all the same. Did we lose our connection, touch and affection without intention? Or did you say every sentence, choose every aspect, find what we came for? Someday we'll find where we belong. Toku whenua, tau rikura.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
Iwa te kaumai iwa i rono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaumai iwa ira tahi tuatu i hikuragi, mōrene tiwi mai te reke o parihaka mau ngā tainoa ki te awa o Hātea, rere atu ki te ao, Ngāti Hine FM.
Kia ora. Mai ngā miti o ngā miti katoa.
Mai te miti o te hanuiti.
Yes,
Ngāti Hine FM.
the meaty of your hanuiti. Ia re mara.
Mai te waha o te hoihona. Ngāti Hine FM.
I like that, I'll take it.
Yeah.
Hoi hoi.
Hoi hoi.
Ah, in the winter.
Hoi hoi.
Hoi hoi.
Oh, hoi hoi hoi.
Engari, push the button.
Oh, yeah. What button is it? What are we doing? Oh, yes. That's us, Fane.
What is it?
What is it? Why isn't it working? Boom.
It's a take a poo, yeah.
Call it blowback. I love that song.
Do you like it?
It's such a good song. I need to
love the song.
I need to download it.
Yeah, you say that every day, but you won't do anything about it. But you'll wait for it to fall in your lap.
Blowback by
Yeah, something
who?
like I can't remember what that was.
Oh, well, that's cuts.
That's right, Fane. Ko tai
yeah.
tātou ki te wahanga nei kia nei ko iti te kupu our opportunity to whakanui te reo Māori, whakaako te reo Māori, tētahi kupu whakarite ia te wā. Ia te wā.
Kōrero.
Ia te wiki, ia te maram, ia te tau.
Oh, kia ora. Ko te kupu mo te rangi nei, we've done some similar ones, but
You
ko
say
he
something.
arero taiaha.
Oh.
Oh, weapon like a fast mouth. A person that just is an abuser with their mouth. Like,
Ooh, okay.
like a cow.
Wow.
That's it.
Arero
What is
taiaha.
that going to do?
It's a person who shouts and makes it loud but gets nowhere.
Okay.
That's what I'm going for.
Well,
Kia ora.
like Taiha's a weapon, so
Yes.
it's be someone who uses their
Mouth.
their words as a weapon. So maybe it's someone who's using hurtful words or saying
Yes.
something hurtful, or it's like someone who's sharp. So it's like eloquent when he speaks because he's like
Yes,
super sharp,
yeah.
like a Taiha, beautiful shape, sharp.
Aye.
It could
I
be
like
either,
that.
to be honest. I think.
Yeah, you
It
could
be-
use it for both.
Could be like, oh, calm down. You're being angry, but your words aren't getting anywhere because you're trying to be hard out about it. Or you could be like, whoa, that's sharp.
if you were
and
like
really
a
pop,
pau
pop,
kore.
pop.
But
Yeah,
then
yeah.
he mea he pau
He bow waru.
wari.
Yes.
They
Yeah.
deiha. Your what do you call it? What's that saying where the like sticks and stones may break your bones, but words don't hurt?
Yeah.
He rikahitira.
Oh,
With this ariro taiaha, your words can hurt.
Oh.
Here we are.
hurt.
No, get to
Ariro
koe
taiaha.
Phoenix. Oh, you're both kind of right.
Your
The
words can
word
hurt.
I'm looking for is a diplomat.
like a politician.
Ariro
But, you know,
taiaha.
so the literal translation of this kupu whakarite is the double-sided tongue of a long wooden weapon. It is a kupu whakarite for a diplomat who is careful not to take sides in an argument or debate,
Oh,
or for one who listens carefully and acknowledges all opinions. It is comparing one to the carved end of a taiaha, typically double-sided and flat.
I like this one though. Ariro taiaha.
Yeah. But I like ones that I like ones that are easy to say and remember.
Remember,
Like
yes.
like Arero Taiha. Some of them. What was it? Actually, I remember though. He kuku kai fofi.
Yeah.
'Cause that was just
Oh,
such a
what's that
random
one?
one to say. That was for someone who
Kai
like,
fofi.
you know how when someone sits down next to you and they've only got like one little piece of lettuce on their plate, and you're like, wow,
You're on a diet.
you're like, what's going on there?
Right.
Or you say, oh, that person like you eat like a you just eat like a little
Like a
rabbit or
little
something.
pigeon,
Got
yeah.
you.
A little rabbit food. So here, kuku kai fofi.
Yes.
Like it.
I just remember that because I remember thinking fofi was a hilarious word.
Fofi. Where's my Fofi?
Yeah, it's like Madagascar.
Yeah.
Mort.
Fofi.
That's what it's called, eh?
Is it?
I'm sure it's that or something very similar. Anyway,
It's Alakays, eh?
yeah, Alakays.
Yeah.
Not my fofi. I'm pretty sure.
Anyway,
we
today's is
digress.
He
We
arero-
digress.
He arero taiaha.
I like it.
Ah.
Te anei te tahi
taiaha.
tauira, kātahi te arero taiaha ko hori. Koia pea I pai tāna tūga, hei kai toranga pū. Indeed, Hori is a diplomat. That's probably such a good politician.
Ah, horny.
There's no
Well, we
Horis.
have lots of good ones here.
Yeah, that's a great reading.
Aye.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
Yes, you got
Echo
that,
was
that
beautiful.
Yeah.
flick on the end. Yeah.
Gonna add it or high
Oh, that was good.
Ai, he tauira, no kaore a hine hou e whakahe, e whakaitira nei te tangata ahakoa o na whakaro. Me ki he mātanga ārero taiaha.
Ah.
Hine hou does not condemn or belittle anyone despite their opinions. Indeed, she is an excellent diplomat.
Ah.
What a great rerenga kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
That's
Sound
how
of the store
that's-
near you.
So that same quarter, that's how I feel about people who are vaccinated and not vaccinated.
Ārero taiaha.
Yeah,
Ai.
ārero taiaha. I'm like, I'm
You can
all
see
good.
the side,
I love you
double-sided
both.
tongue.
That's so
Love
right,
you all.
actually. Yes. It's so good. It's a good
That's
point.
not what she said off here.
Yeah, well, no one was listening to that.
So that makes me laugh.
Should we go to breakfast? I can't. I got no vex passport.
Marcy's got no vex passport. Anti-vaxxer.
Oh my gosh.
Probably at those rallies with the upside down fucking putanga food.
It's funny though, because it only takes like 2 seconds, eh?
Like it literally takes 2 seconds.
Yeah.
It literally, like, if you don't have a real me, you can make an account. It takes, like, it's so fast.
Yeah, it's not that hard. Do it right now.
I've been the example. Nah, Jax, I'll do it.
That was great, guys.
By the next
Ārero
voice break,
taiaha.
whānau, I'll have a vex passport. Go tonu mai.
Go tonu mai.
Ina nei ko Nisha 101. Let's go.
Oh, he throwback 10 day. That's NFM.
Know the time, you know the time, you know the time. It's time for Nation 101. Never on time, the music's on all day. We'll be going them road, not see dread. White on white sticks, baggy jeans, got that green stone around your neck. Yeah. I came from the
183, so I know a little bit about Fresh D. Yes, we keep rapping and rocking that Fresh D's. Jeans cut with socks and jandals. Aloha shirt, be the formal dress standard. Spot the police from a mile away, and you know they're coming when you hear this play. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader.
You're so fresh, so I wanna know if you're down. Cause if you are, then let that hair down, baby. I wanna know. Got 2 Fridays on that $1 bread. Street Fighter 2, where my money spent. The brothers roll past, kickers on full blast. Everybody jump on it on my head. Never on time, the music's on all day. You'll be going them would not see dread. White on white sticks, baggy jeans, got that grease on around your neck.
It's slow about FOB, Talo Manioka and LUCD. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Sunday feed, 2-minute noodles and a fry on beef for the rest of the week. That's all there is. Go to school and scab off the rest of the kids. If they bust money home for their $1 chips, if you don't walk it off, it goes straight to the hips. Never run my day by time. I run my time, but the change is sky. I run my time, let my appetite. Coke in the pies, what we call fine dine. Stuffy craze to Sandringham, California, yeah, down to Japan. It's the real McCoy making all that noise. More 5 than Fallout Boy.
Never on time, the music's on all day. You be going them would not see dread. White on white sticks, baggy jeans, got that green stone around your neck.
And what we gonna do right here is we gonna school you on what we call the ways of the freshman. Need your one-on-one, if you will. So if you feeling what we saying, let me know. Join in. Bounce on that 2 and 4, don't clap on that 1 and 3. You have your cappuccino, we on that cup of tea. Be rude to turn it down, so take it if it's free. Just keep it fresh, no matter where you be. Bounce on that 2 and 4, don't clap on that 1 and 3. You have your cappuccino, we on that cup of tea. Be rude to turn, so take it if it's free. Just keep it fresh, no matter what. Ladies and ladies, put your hands up.
So fresh, so I wanna know if you're down. Yes, if you are, then let that hair down, baby. I wanna know. Never on time, the music's on all day. You be growing them would not see dread. White on white sticks, baggy jeans, got that green stone around your neck. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader.
Iwa te kaumaiwa ira ono, tō mita, torohe.
Iwa te kama iwa ira tahi tu atu I Hikurangi Ngāti Hine FM. I'm not too sure if I cut him off or what.
Yeah, you did. I forgot you got no headphones on. That's my bad. But you did cut off Matua Boo. But
Oh,
that's
sorry
right.
about
Sorry,
that.
Boo.
Ai, he oi anō e te iwi kua tai tātai ki tēnei wāhanga. Whether you know it's fact or cack, you're going to listen.
Ai, tono. He mea na koe, our opportunity to our opportunity to share some kōrero tupurangi mai everywhere.
Ai, kōrero ha honei.
Kōrero ha honei nei, it's just interesting. Aye. Anyway, I'll get us going.
Yes.
So I've got some so based on your whatever your star sign is. What's your guy's star sign, by the way?
Aquarius.
I'm a Pisces.
Oh, I'm a Pisces too. That's right, because our birthday's real close, eh?
When's yours?
7th March.
Third.
Yeah.
Are you indecisive?
Nah.
Oh, see, like he always blames his indecisiveness on his being
On Pisces tanga.
Yeah,
I get indecisive.
he's like, I'm a Pisces. I can't choose. I'm a Pisces.
I get real. I
With
get.
certain
I'm a
things.
Pisces.
I get super annoyed at people who are indecisive. It's like one of my biggest pet peeves. I'm
Yeah.
like, just say where you want to go for lunch.
Especially when then you choose and then they go, nah, not
that one.
that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, give me another option.
Yeah, then you
nah.
ask
I'm a Pisces.
I am all good to go anywhere, but then I go, I'll go anywhere. And I'm like, okay, what about here? And I go, I don't feel like that.
Yeah.
That annoys.
Yeah, yeah. Anyway,
He's
I've got
also
this
all
one.
good to go anywhere. By anywhere, he means the key.
yeah. So
Pretty
I've got
much.
some just facts here on based on people's star signs. So this one says Leos are the
Okay.
most likely to regularly hit the gym.
Leos are the what?
Yeah, are the most likely to hit the gym.
Any Leos in our comments?
Well, at least amongst women, that is. A 2013 survey of 10,000 UK women, so that's from the UK, by Hello, it's a magazine, found that Leos were twice as likely to go to the gym compared to...
With Leo.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know when anyone is.
No, I think
I just know Cancer's around June because Autumn is that.
in July.
Oh, yeah.
One of them are July.
Scorpio's
Mine
around
is-
November and that.
Yeah.
'cause Jen and that. Jen and
Scorpio.
George are that.
I don't know, but they're
October,
Leo's a
November.
tiger.
Leo.
Tiger.
Oh, the
Right,
Leos.
and they're the most likely to hit the gym.
Yes. Oh, it also
King of the
says here
jungle?
Leos are the worst drivers.
Oh.
Australian car share service GoGet passed through information on 100,000 of its users in 2017 to determine that Leos are the most likely of all signs to get busted for traffic violations. So you go to the gym, but on your way to the gym, traffic violation.
Okay, well, I've got here July 23rd to August 22nd.
Mm.
Leo.
Oh, there
Can
you
you,
go.
um,
Thank you, Auntie Maud.
Can you move
July
our
onto August.
Oh, is she at late July? Oh, sorry.
Our waves, our waves.
There we
Auntie
go.
Maud, I think she's a late
What you got,
July.
Luke?
Yeah.
Well, mine's a random fact about the war. In World War II, British soldiers had to make do with only 3 sheets of toilet paper per day.
3 sheets?
Not like a 3 sheet.
Yeah.
3. It's like
One of those little square panels.
per
So
day.
they weren't using it.
Probably
Actual
not.
hair leaf.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
3 sheets of toilet paper per day.
Wow.
Really? Oh,
What if you had like the squirts? Oh,
bro, you're camping out anyway.
Yeah.
They're not seeing anything. I would be surprised if they even ate. Like they were eating tins
tin
and
of
stuff.
stuff.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
quite
yeah.
sad if you think about it. Going when you
Yeah.
find out research, you're
Whoa!
like, wow.
What is good for absolutely nothing? Thanks,
Absolutely
Hitler,
nothing.
you egg.
Yeah, you eek.
What do you got, Mas?
I've got this day in music history.
Of course.
Of course. Mariah Carey's MTV Unplugged EP. Do you know that one? It's the Unplugged concert. Mariah Carey back in the I think it was late
gonna
80s.
say yes.
It's one of my favorite albums of hers. The backup singers, Haramai Te Ahua. Anyway, on this day, it was released as a mini disc in 1992, reverting information. You're gonna feel it emotions deeper than I ever been loved.
Wow, she was,
Whoa.
she was a
Yeah.
vibe.
Oh, so
Bro,
this,
that concert was cool.
I've got this one here carrying on from my star sign buzz. So if anyone is thinking about dating a Capricorn,
Ooh.
just kia matara
How'd
because
you know?
kia matara because Capricorns may be prone to cheating. Of all the astrological signs, Capricorns have the most accounts of the made for adultery dating website Ashley Madison, as reported by the magazine Bustle. They also out to more people. Aquarians come second.
Wow.
So
Aquarius.
Capricorns likely to be cheating.
Wow.
Aquarius comes in second.
What about Pisces? Because I think we're good at romantic and being loyal, from what I've heard.
I just don't like it when people blame their star sign for being an egg.
Yeah,
Like, you know,
Yeah,
they're
yeah,
being
yeah,
a biatch and they're like, oh, sorry, I'm a Pisces. It's
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
I can say that.
I should say,
But
sorry,
yeah,
I'm
no,
a Capricorn.
but
Like,
they do. They
that.
do.
Like,
I
it's
can't
not
have
you.
it.
People do that. Like,
Yeah, which
they
is
blame it
dumb.
on the.
That's just who I
you
am.
know,
That's just who I am. Shut up.
I'm just an Aquarius.
You're
Oh, bro.
Like if I was doing a dinner table and a seating arrangement, no, that's too hard. because I'm like, oh, what if they sit there? But if they sit there, they turn person looks to that person.
Oh,
That's not going to work. No, they're back to that wall.
That
there.
person
Oh,
That's what
based
I
on
do.
these star signs.
No, based on my star sign. I'm like, oh no, I can't decide on this one. Or
Wow.
what should I wear with those socks? What socks should I wear with the shoes? Oh, those socks are orange, but those are pink. But it's a good contrast. That's what I start doing in my head. Pisces.
Oh,
Anyway.
Pisces.
Don't you know that in the state of Arizona, is Arizona the state or the city? Yes, Arizona. Phoenix is the city. No, Phoenix, Arizona, sorry, the state. You can't feed garbage to a pig without getting a permit.
Oh,
Reverting.
Garbage to a pig.
You can't just throw
What?
your
Like
rubbish
your
out.
food scraps.
Because pigs will eat everything.
They'll eat
and
everything,
that's
yeah.
the purpose. Because
Yeah.
pigs are the only animal in the world that will eat an entire body,
Yeah.
including the jewelry.
Yes. So if you were
Oh,
like
heck.
Yeah.
in a predicament, like, I killed someone,
Feed
just
it to
take
the
it
pig.
to
There's
the
like
pig.
Pablo Escobar. He was using crocodiles to do that.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Do they decompose of the whole thing,
I
or
have
just
no
stuck
idea.
in their body?
I think he just thought, like, I don't know.
And you
I
can
don't wanna
Google
get it.
how to get rid of a body, and it'll come up. Feed it to a pig, and they eat
Yeah.
everything. Yeah.
I've got this last one here, and I'm just bringing this one up because it hangs to Luke's kōrero about being indecisive. Geminis have a reputation for being slow or unable to make a decision, but Pisces are equally frustrating when you're trying to decide on where to eat dinner.
Oh, see, there we go.
That is
And it's not
you.
because I want to. I'm like, well, what
It's
if we
because
wanna-
it's my star sign. It's in me.
It's in me.
But I don't think it's and I think a lot of the time though it's like because you just want everyone to
Be
like,
able to
everyone to
eat.
yeah, you're like, well, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
That's
I'm
oh my gosh,
indecisive
you
because
must live at my house.
I want to
exactly
make sure everyone can get some of what they want. So which means
Yeah, which means you're sitting in the corner
No
going, this
decision.
is yuck.
That's exactly what happens. Oh wow, you're funny.
Kia ora. And my last one is back in this day in 1967, sitting on the dock of the bay. Started a studio
Wasting
recording
time.
session. The song went to be on to be his biggest hit Otis Redding ever did.
Oh wow.
And he didn't see the release as he was killed 3 days later in a plane crash.
Oh
that man that
wow.
sung that song.
Yes.
I didn't know that.
He didn't see the release of that, and that went to like his biggest hit. That
Did
he
it go
never saw
big?
the release.
Did it go big because he passed away? Do you think?
Maybe, but it's also a jam.
Yeah, oh, it's a
Yeah.
jam.
But he would
Oh,
never
yeah.
have heard it really at its full potential.
Well, I wonder.
So sad.
Sitting at the heavenly gate.
Yeah, but that's amazing. Yeah, like I didn't know that.
Yeah, nah, I didn't.
That's
either.
like the man who wrote and directed Rent, the musical, when he wrote it back in 1995.
Yes.
When it was finally made it to Broadway, he never got to go to the opening night. He never got to see it with an audience because he died the night of it opening.
Oh wow.
Yeah, never got to go. The guy who wrote Rent.
Oh.
So that's
It's a similar.
Sad.
I love that movie.
yeah.
The movie. I haven't actually seen the Broadway show, but I love the movie.
Ah, so you know the part
Yes.
that was just him playing around, and he was intended to go back in the studio to re-record
Oh,
the words,
hecka.
but they
Wow.
kept that.
Oh,
That's some cool
that
information.
is cool. I don't even
Now I'm
think
gonna
I
hear that
need
whistle
to
and
do-
think it's just a ghost directly
Yeah.
whistling to me.
I
Though.
don't even think I need to. do the
Yeah, it
last
said
one, 'cause
Reading's
that's
familiar with
riveting.
whistling heard before the songs fade was the singers fooling around. He had intended to return to the studio at a later date to add words in place of the whistling.
Oh wow.
Bro,
That's quite sad now.
It is
it is sad, but
Yeah.
also like
Really
the whistling
interesting.
was a go. You just think it's intentional.
Yeah. Yeah, not even.
That's cool.
Oh, all
It
right.
is
Well,
cool.
on that whistle note, whānau, ko hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe, we have If Only from our man Tiggs.
Oh wow!
That's how he sings. Is that him?
Tiggs or
It's already
Tea
started.
sisters.
No reira whānau, kia ora tonu mai ka te NFM.
Fabulous.
I mean it when I say that I'm sorry. If I could change things, girl, don't you think I would? Now I'm down on my knees and I'm I'm asking God, why would you do this to me? Why would you do this to me? Oh, if only I could love you like you want me to, then everything would be alright. And if only it was that simple, if only I could click my fingers. Hey, hey, da, da, da. Oh, it's killing me. It's killing me bad. If I explain myself, baby, you wouldn't understand. It's all this love that you're giving, I can't return. Now I feel like I've let you down. Oh, I've let you down. If only I could love you like you want me to, then everything would be alright. And if only it was that easy, if only it was that simple, if only I could click my fingers, and if only I could love you like you want me to, then everything would be alright. And if only it was that easy, if only it was that simple, if only I could click my fingers. Oh, only I could love you, baby, just like it would be alright. Baby, if only it was that easy, if only I could click my finger.
If you're having doubts about the vaccine, it's okay and you're not alone. Our Healthline team is here to listen and talk with you about how you're feeling, any questions you have about the vaccine and your health. And we'll have specialists available if you need more information. There's no pressure, no rush, and calls are free and confidential. Chatting with someone who understands is a great way to help you feel confident about making the decision that's right for you. The Healthline team are here to talk from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m, 7 days a week on 0800 28 2926.
Te Raupara is celebrating our essential workers with the Ngā Mihi campaign. We want to demonstrate our grand aroha before by saying Ngā Mihi, and we want you to do the same. Visit the Ngā Mihi website and create a Ngā Mihi for our frontline and essential workers. Share your Ngā Mihi through your social media network and stay connected for up-and-coming events, competitions and celebrations. You can find all the details at www.ngamihi.com.
That was great.
What's funny?
Nah,
It was just
that was me again.
Or was I cutting you something off?
A little bit, like a teeny bit, but that was me
wasn't
because
your fault.
it was like 1 second left. And I was like, that should be enough. It wasn't. It was still like it was like the longest 1 second ever.
I just spoke over the entire ad.
I know, Marcy and I were just talking because I had this buzzy experience over the like a couple of days ago. So I coached my son's basketball team one day because one of the teachers couldn't make it, so I was there, coached the basketball team. And one of the girls gave me her tonga to hold on to because they can't play with it on, like with jewelry or necklaces or watches tonga.
yes.
So she gave me it. I went to hold on to it. Sweet. And then after the game, she left without grabbing it back off me. So I gave it to one of the kids to take to her to school the next day. Anyway, fast forward, it didn't get back to her. I gave it to
Shock
one
kid.
Yeah, shock kid, common to Uraruka. I gave it to him to give back. Anyway, and I didn't know it didn't get back to her. I had.
Yes.
And then it wasn't until like only one of one of my nieces came back to me. She was like, "Oh, da-da-da's looking for their taonga," and then their mum saw us at the supermarket and was like, "Hey, can you ask Phoenix for the taonga?" And I was like, "Oh, I just thought I had got back to you because because I gave it to that kid to take back, but it didn't get back to her anyway." So the other night, like 2 nights ago, I dreamt about it all night because I was like on my mind, man. Like I really, really need to find this taonga. I was turning my kids' school bags inside out in their room and trying to find it. And I was dreamt about it all night. Like literally, you know how you have those nights where like you dream about something else, but then some way like that thing keeps making it back into your dream. Like I dream about like, oh, I'm flying in the sky, and then next minute I'm flying, and then they're like, where's my taonga in the sky or whatever. So all night I was dreaming about it, like because I was very like, I need to get this taonga back, man, because it's it's a taonga.
Yes.
You got to get it back.
Yes.
Anyway, had a terrible sleep that night because it was on my mind all night, and then I woke up in the morning, and the first message I got was from my mum, and she was like, "Does this taonga belong to anyone?" And it was a photo of the taonga, and I was like, "Ah!" I was like,
wow.
I thought I was still dreaming when I saw the message. I was like, maybe I'm still like in dream mode because it was like 6 in the morning, and I was like scrolling. Yep.
Where did she find it?
It was just stuff that was Jamil, my brother Jamil, under their pram. So they had the pram like with their bubbles, the stuff their mum had all together, like watching phone and all like a little like collection of things, and it was in there. And I was like, how did it get there?
Yeah.
I have no idea how it got there.
Way there.
But it made its way there anyway.
It's on a journey of its own.
Yeah, and I was like, oh, that's her taonga. And I was like,
did you give it back to Colin?
Yeah, I did.
Did you?
She got it. She got it. I said, I put it, I was like, this is going in your bag. You go straight. And he's like looking around. I was like, you go straight to her.
I could never.
Oh, no. I feel like
it would be like a personal delivery after that.
Yeah, you go straight to her, you give it back. It was just so buzzy because I was dreaming about it all night because I was fretting about it, man, because it was someone's taonga. You know how important they are, and it's probably come the whakapapa of it.
Yeah. To put on the same delivery.
I put it on the same check. And she got it back. So honestly, it was so like when I saw that message, I was like oh my gosh,
that's cool.
I'm so relieved.
You're in what do you call it? In touch with all
yeah. So tonight I'm hoping to dream.
Yes,
that
well,
I'm gonna find
a
pram.
Yeah. Like that about once, and the dream that I'd won it, and at the end of the dream was like, wake up because you're vivid, and I had and I bought a ticket. It was so vivid. $95. Oh,
that's
I never had another dream. That was years ago.
I've had a dream that I had to go to it, and then I was
I had dreams where I've lived out the whole day in my dream.
Yeah,
like I woke up, I had lunch, I do the whole day.
Like, sweet.
Yeah, and then I wake up and I'm like, oh no.
No, I fully was like that when I went to school. I'd like
yes,
there, or mum would wake me up, and then I'm up. I'm a uniform out. We're at school.
Yeah,
I love
it. The next one is
school already.
Yeah,
I got.
I'm in Brady.
I dreamt about all my. For example, my girl, it was before, and I was like, "But there's," and it was just this little pungle girl. I was like, "That's it." Yeah. Oh, little black girl.
Blackie.
Thank you.
Just before I thought we probably
a couple of minutes. Yeah.
we need to play a little 12 days.
Yeah.
So we
Oh,
just have
yes.
to play. I'm looking
Before
forward to
we time to get on out of here.
Are you there, Mars?
Look at the reindeer.
The sky!
Oh my god.
It's the mall.
Going outside.
Everybody, in 12 days of Christmas with us here at Ara E Mara, and it's starting next Monday the 13th.
What's it called?
12
Days of Christmas!
Oh my god, look at the fat man in the red suit.
Just like the Ellen Show, we're giving
And
you the
look,
opportunity.
there's Santa as well.
Yes! Just like the Ellen Show, we're giving you the opportunity to take away a prize every day up to the 23rd of December.
Yeah,
but all
buddy.
you have to do is go onto our Instagram page. Marcy will be posting something later on tonight.
Yes.
You just have to follow our page, follow Marcia, Luke, and Phoenix's page as well, and just tag your people on the comments
Yes.
on the actual ERA
Every time you tag someone, you'll go in the draw.
Yes. So there's
And it's like a what do you call it?
buttons up.
A banner that once you've tagged, you're in the draw for all days. of
Yes.
giving away.
Got multiple opportunities to win. There's new prizes every day.
Yes. You could win something like a $100 meal voucher, or the best prize for a week, or a fitness voucher.
Yes.
But we are giving away some great prizes up until the 23rd of December. But to be in to win, you just have to tag.
12 days of Christmas. You get a prize. You get a prize.
What's it called again?
12 days of Christmas!
Boom.
Okay, it's actually
Let's
9
go.
days, but on the 12th night,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
give away 4 prizes.
Yes, yeah, because we got
12 kind of days of
Yeah.
Christmas.
12
Look, you get your
prizes
prize,
of
okay?
Christmas.
That's right.
Over
But
9
be in to
days.
win.
Yeah.
And don't cry at us if you don't win, okay?
Yeah.
You tag enough and you're not in.
You got to be in to win it, Whānau. All you got to do is tag, like, share, be. Oh, well, not share, but you just got to be in it to
Nah,
win it,
share.
Whānau. Share. Oh, you
And
share.
we will be checking if you're following our pages. You're going to be following.
You got to be
the
follow.
pages.
Follow.
Follow. Okay,
like
ko
it.
tō te raki runga I tēnei
Aye.
hōtaka o tātou, Maia mātou, of course, Marcia, Luke, Phoenix, Eare, Mara, kia kaha.
Kia Maia!
Kia niwha.
Everybody!
Ka kite koutou popo.
Hoki Maia popo.
Kia haumaru whānau.
Thousand years I wouldn't find no one like you. Master sorrow, take blue. You can heal the pain and fight. I see the sky, you can't tell the work, you deserve it. Sometimes something real comes around, call a Larry out, 'cause she worth it. So don't judge me on my actions, judge on my intentions. And let's turn these losses into lessons. Kotaku mahi, etatari, inate waro. Taku aroha mo, mohake tonu. Aratawa tawa takoa, yeah. Oh, wait. Hey. What else I gotta do to show you that you the only one that I go to? Cheating, something that I don't do. Leave something that I won't do. A girl, I need you like O2. Just saying no Goku. And I don't need a whole pass, I told you. I know what story I wanna go through. 'Cause we love together like we're best friends. Sex like camping, it's intense. Chat's good and your back's good. We like backwards like it's incense. I don't need you to scold me. I just need you to hold me. And to understand that you're okay, my love. Come on, come back to me, girl. Okay, my love. Come on, come back to me, girl. Come on, come on, come back to me. Come on, come on, come back to me. Come on, come on, come back to me, girl. Yeah, yeah. Come on, come on, come back to me, girl. Come on, come on, come back to me, girl. Come on, come on, come back to me. Come on, come on, come back to me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, Cookie, my love. Oh, Cookie, my love.
E ngā iwi o te motu, tēnā no rā, Scotty Morrison. Te ngau poko kōrero o